Everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm Stephanie if you're new here. I do air fryer videos every Friday or every other Friday depending on when I can get them out for you guys. So today we are going to be making scrambled eggs and fried eggs in your air fryer. And I'm going to be using this pan to fry them up in. If you guys want to get something like this, I have a link down below and you guys can get one if you need one. Otherwise, some people have been using some of the aluminum foils at stores and stuff and then kind of molding it. Depending on what works for your air fryer, I had a lot of times where things kind of fly around in there. So if you guys have an air fryer that might be a little bit different, you will probably just have to do like a trial and error with your fried eggs and scrambled eggs. When I first made an omelet in my air fryer, things just like all the eggs just kind of flew around. So I ended up putting a piece of foil on there and that helped it out. But for the eggs, we're just gonna put it in here. I'm gonna spray this down, put the egg in, and I'm not gonna do any preheating with any of these. Well, actually, I am gonna do a preheat with the scrambled eggs, and that's just to melt down the butter. But for the fried egg, we're just gonna do this, and then spray the bottom. And I got my eggs right here, so I'm just gonna be using one for the fried eggs. So I'm just gonna crack it right in there. And I'm gonna be adding salt and pepper to the top of my fried egg. Place mine right inside my air fryer. And then if you guys can see, I'm going to set it to 300 for 5 minutes starting. And the recipe calls for 7 minutes, but we're gonna start out at 5 and see how that goes. Like I said, if you are having problems where your egg is just flying around in there, then maybe it's just not gonna work for your air fryer. So I guess just kind of try it out and see what happens and see what works. We're gonna let this cook and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like after 5 minutes. Okay, so I just took it out of the air fryer and it's pretty good, but I think I'm gonna put it in for a little bit longer. It's almost cooked. Let's see if I can see how it's nice just like that. But depending on your preference of fried eggs is gonna be the determination of how long you wanna keep it in there. So totally up to you, but that was 5 minutes, so I think I'm gonna cook it for another minute or two. I cooked it for another 2 minutes and it is pretty good the way it is right now. So I'm just gonna scoop this up and place it on the plate. All right, so this is what the fried egg looks like after 7 minutes of cooking it. So it looks pretty good. Now, like I said, depending on how you like to cook it and eat it is gonna determine how long you're gonna keep it in your air fryer. And then each air fryer is different with temp and time. So just keep an eye on that. But we're gonna get started with the next recipe, and that's gonna be the scrambled eggs. So what I'm gonna do first is just crack 3 eggs. That's how many we're gonna be using today. And if you use more than 3 eggs, I think your cooking time is just gonna be a little longer. Depending on how you like to make your scrambled eggs, you can add whatever you would like to that. So then just whisk it up. Right. And what we're gonna do a little bit different with the scrambled eggs is that we're going to be putting a little bit of butter in our pan. And then that's what we're going to, so about a tablespoon or so of butter, and we're gonna put that in the air fryer and we're just gonna heat that up a little bit. So I'm gonna put it to 300 degrees. And I'm only gonna put it in there for about a minute or so because my air fryer is already hot. It's gonna melt down really quick. My air fryer is already hot, it melted faster, so I just kind of checked on it. I'm gonna pour in the eggs. And we're gonna cook them at Stop. I don't want to talk when you're around. We're gonna cook them at 300. And again, we're gonna start out at 5 minutes. My 5 minutes is up and they are still pretty liquidy. So we're just gonna put them back in there for, the recipe altogether is 5 to 7 minutes, but I think I need to cook mine a little bit longer than that. So I already did 5 minutes and I'm gonna do it for, well, we're gonna go to 300. And I'm gonna cook it for, let's do another 5 minutes just to see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna probably check it in between just to make sure that I'm not overcooking it. And that's what's gonna happen when you're cooking with your air fryer. It's just, you know, trial and error and trying to figure out what's gonna work for your air fryer. And timing and stuff like that. Now, could I have made these faster, maybe in scrambling them on a frying pan? Probably, just because we just made like, I think a dozen eggs the other day scrambled, and I guess that wasn't enough for us to eat. So for me to do eggs for my family in the air fryer probably wouldn't work for a family of 10. So we need probably like a dozen and a half for our family. And I'm only cooking 3 in here right now. So I think it would be quicker for us to just fry it up. But for the fun of cooking in your air fryer and trying out different things, it's nice to just do that with this. So, okay, so 5 minutes is up and they're not really cooking as fast as I would like them to cook. So I'm gonna go to 350 on the temp and cook them for another 3 minutes. Cooked them for 3 minutes on 350 and that really worked much better. So when you are going to be doing that, you're going to wanna make sure your temp is adjusted well for the cooking time. So I'm just gonna mix these up, like scramble them up, and then I'm gonna cook them for another probably 1 to 2 minutes, and then we should be done. So I think the cooking time overall would have went a lot faster if I would have started out right away with bumping up the temp. So I'm gonna do 350 again for 2 minutes. So I cooked them for another about a minute or so, and they are much nicer than before. So I think these turned out pretty good this way. Now, whatever, if in between your cooking, when you are flipping your eggs and scrambling them up, that could be the time that you might want to put some onions in, or you know, whatever you like in your scrambled eggs. Ham pieces, you could have already cooked up ham and put that in there, and you're going to want to do that at your flipping time or your scrambled time, and that way that it'll have enough time just to heat up, because you just want your stuff to heat up. You don't want it to actually cook if it's already, you know, pre-cooked. So I'm just going to plate this up quick and show you how they look. I'm going to add some mild cheddar cheese to the top of my eggs, and while they're still warm, it'll melt up nicely. Okay, so that's how my scrambled eggs turned out. I will leave both of these recipes down below for you guys to follow, and I'll make it very clear too how I kind of changed up the scrambled eggs, the time and the temp. I'll make that clear down below, or I'll kind of put it on the screen down below, and each temp and time for you guys, so it's a little bit easier for you guys to follow. I don't have anything on my website yet for all my recipes. Eventually, sometime I might be able to do that. But for right now, I will have like a playlist of just all my air fryer videos, and you can go back to that and check that out. So here are 2 egg options for your air fryer. I did do an omelet way back, and I'll try to list that up above for you guys to watch that one. But otherwise, this is how this turned out, and I think it turned out nice. But just a little bit, maybe a little bit faster for us, like I said, frying them up in a pan versus in the air fryer. But for you guys that just want to cook it up quick, this is a perfect option for you guys. So hopefully you guys liked my video today. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Me waiting for the air fryer in between. Sometimes I sit here and wait 3 minutes. You know how long 3 minutes is? One more minute.